If you want to reduce the burden of long-distance driving, this truck offers the ease of use and comfort of a passenger car, allowing you to concentrate on long journeys without getting tired. The wide-angle millimeter wave radars on the left and right front detect moving objects in the front blind spots. If there is a risk of collision, an audible warning will be heard and the indicator light on the pole will flash red to warn the driver. This prevents head-on accidents at intersections with poor visibility and collisions in the blind spots ahead when turning left or right. When the millimeter wave radar on the left side detects a moving object such as a bicycle or pedestrian, the indicator light on the column will turn yellow to warn the driver. In addition, if the driver makes a left turn and the possibility of a collision increases, the alarm will sound and the indicator light on the pole will flash red to warn the driver, helping to prevent accidents involving vehicles. The millimeter wave radars on the left and right side detect moving objects such as cars and motorcycles in positions that are difficult to see with mirrors. The indicator light on the column will turn yellow to warn the driver. In addition, if the driver attempts to change lanes and the possibility of a collision increases, an alarm will sound and the indicator light on the column will flash red to warn the driver, contributing to a safe lane change. If it is difficult to continue driving safely due to factors such as the driver's health condition, the system sends notifications both inside and outside the vehicle, helping to slow down and stop the vehicle to prevent accidents. If driver monitor 2 or lane departure warning detects an abnormality on the driver's side, EDSS will automatically activate and warn the driver with a warning and a screen display. If there is no response, the brakes will automatically apply, gradually slow down and help the vehicle stop. At this time, the system will flash the taillights and hazard lights, and also sound the horn to warn those around you, helping to prevent rear-end collisions. In the unlikely event of an incorrect operation or incorrect detection, you can cancel the operation by pressing the cancel key. The standard seat has a revised seat section to provide better support around the waist and thighs. This helps to maintain a stable seating posture that reduces fatigue. It also reduces the possibility of tearing due to friction. The diameter of the speedometer and engine tachometer, which combine universal design, has been increased, and the text inside the meters has been enlarged. In addition, the multi-information display has been enlarged to 7 inches. To further reduce driver stress and fatigue, switches for each operation scene, such as driving and stopping, have been placed in the zones. You can operate multi-information, navigate, and even make hands-free calls without taking your hands off the steering wheel. There is no need to significantly move your line of sight, which contributes to increased safety. A dial-type control panel has been adopted to further improve operability. The fully automatic air conditioning feature has a design that combines switches for each function for intuitive operation. The A05C engine achieves high levels of both torque and fuel efficiency through downsizing. The series ranges from 240 PS to 260 PS with a 2-stage supercharged turbo, providing high torque despite its small cylinder volume. We also expand our range of vehicles that achieve plus 5% fuel efficiency standards by combining with the transmission. It contributes to reducing fuel consumption and increasing profits with a complete product line. It makes full use of 6 and 7 gears to automatically select the fuel-saving turning range. Even inexperienced drivers can change gears like a good driver. It contributes to better fuel efficiency. The wing body is made lighter by using aluminum and resin. The frame is revised to further increase the ease of installation. It contributes to shortening the delivery time for refrigerated trucks and crane trucks. The range of varieties is expanded by installing special models for refrigerated trucks and crane trucks. A wash tank is installed in the front cover opening. The layout facilitates inspection and maintenance, including cleaning the wash tank. The cover with a key is used to prevent fuel theft. The key is the same as the engine key. It also prevents you from forgetting to close it, as the cover cannot be removed unless it is locked.